You're watching Cruising Holden Season 2, only available on YouTube.
Hey guys, what's up? My name's Cruising Holden.
And I'm Crew Boss.
Right now we are in Davis Square and we're going to be telling you everything you need to know before coming to Davis Square and everything fun that you can do here. Okay, we have made it into Davis Square. Now we are going to get a bite to eat at Kong Dog. Okay, so we just finished up in Kong Dog. Well, we're not done eating. We are actually going to be eating outside. I got a pink lemonade and I got the classic Kong Dog, so let's give it a try. Oh god. That's really good. Okay, I just finished up eating my Kong Dog. Needless to say, it was some great food and that is definitely on my list of some fun things to do while you are here in Davis Square. Now we are going to be taking a look at the various art sculptures that are around Davis Square. Alright, so right now we are behind the Davis Square Red Line train stop, and there are a couple cool sculptures back here. Okay, so we just finished up looking at some of the sculptures that are behind the Davis Square Red Line stop. Needless to say, there were some very cool ones, and it was very cool to see. Some of them were a little tall, so I don't know how the videos came out, but it was very cool to look at some sculptures, and now we're gonna see what we do next. Okay, we just found another art piece. It is a little sculpture made out of what it looks like to be spare parts in a phone box. Okay, so we just finished up looking at all the art around the Davis Square area, and now we are going to be checking out a playground / park that is just off of Davis Square. So we just looked at the park. We didn't actually play on it, obviously.
Well,
but if
I'm
you
too old.
But if you have kiddos, it's definitely a fun place to go to. Another fun thing to do while you're in Davis Square is visit the Davis Square Plaza. It is a very fun place with some amazing shops that you can come and visit. Definitely recommend. Also inside the Davis Square Plaza is this really cool mural that is behind me. Definitely something that you should check out here in the Davis Square Plaza because it is a beautiful mural. Right behind me is the Somerville Theater, which is a perfect spot if you want to see a movie or a play. I definitely recommend that you go to the Somerville Theater, which is right behind me. Okay, so we just got out of JP Licks. I got this very cute mint chocolate chip ice cream. Let's dig in. I just finished up my ice cream. It was very good. Well guys, I think that about wraps it up on this video. Cruise Boss and I are about to bike home. We had such a fun time here at Davis Square. It is definitely a fun place that I recommend all of you guys watching to check out. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can get notified whenever I make another upload.
And make sure to check out my channel, like and subscribe and hit that bell.
Yep, remember to check out Cruise Boss too. Well, my name is Holden and you're watching Cruising Holden. Bye guys.
Thanks for watching.
Okay guys, we just finished up looking at some of the sculptures that are behind the Davis Square Red Line stop.